Hello, welcome back. So this truck is done. Well, I'm done with it for now. It's going to be going back to the customer. But I wanted to show you what we did. See if I can show you anyway. So this is the repair panel that I put in, and it's welded all through here, and there's even a repair panel up there, and we just lap welded it, but then I covered it in POR 15. Everywhere where there was new metal work, I covered it all in POR 15. So even back here, let's get my flashlight out. Back there, get you in there. There you go. Oh, in there's POR 15 also, and on the underside, all that. Did all the get my camera out of the way. All that is POR 15 as well. Just sealed everything up, covered everything up, sealed everything up. And I'm going to put this piece back on with the little trim screws. We left the old seat in there. He didn't want to replace the seat. And we also put a dash cover on. Now this is just a glue-on cover. The old dash is still under there. There was some broken up parts around the speaker that of course we cut out, but the old dash is still under there. And this dash isn't a perfect match color wise, but it's pretty close, and it looks better than the old dash did. And we put in some new carpet. So I think the carpet looks fantastic. The carpet was perfect. Its cut and all that were perfect, and all the holes for like the seat bolts were all marked, and they were right on the money. I of course boogered a couple of them up, like that one. I was pretty off on that one, but the markings were correct. I should have just followed the markings. Anyway, the carpet looks real good. I think it needs a vacuuming, of course. And the owner fixed up these plastic panels by just rubbing Vaseline on them. In fact, there's a big gob of it right there. I better take it off. Anyway, so we got some Vaseline holidays right there, but he just found that tip. Someone told him about that. So we did all the Vaselining everywhere. And we have new weather stripping around here. The weather stripping is pretty fat, so we're going to have to give it a little while to fit properly. As far as the bed goes, we have, stupid blinky light, I have the brackets. Those still need to be painted, but the brackets here, of course you can't see where I'm pointing, but the brackets are welded to the bed, and the brackets are bolted to the frame. So essentially the bed is bolted to the frame in a couple places. I need to add one more support under there, and need to make some adjustments to the filler neck. But that's what it looks like under here, and of course we've got to paint all that stuff under there. But we will do that another time because the owner wants to use this, so we're going to send this on its way for now. Oh, and we also did away with the taillights that were in those rubber grommets. I hate those. They're just absolutely terrible. So we just put in these screw-in. These are LEDs that have a screw-in flange, and we have some touch-up painting to do back here. So anyway, that's it. This guy is getting out of here today, again, because the owner just wants to use it. And the owner, by the way, is my father-in-law. So of course I did all this work for free, because that's what we do. When family needs stuff, we do for family. And what I have learned in this process is that sheet metal work, body work, is hard. Yes, it is. It is very hard to get that to look right. I have a much deeper respect for guys who do this for a living. I think what I did looks okay, but it doesn't look perfect. It is far from perfect. And I'm okay with it being far from perfect. This was a learning experience. I have certainly learned that I have much to learn with this kind of work. It is definitely an art form. So this guy is getting out of here today and going to put it to work. And by the way, for my loyal viewers, you know what that is. Brought that turkey in here over the weekend. We're going to start work on this thing here soon too. This is the 401C, and we are going to start with replacing many, if not all, of these hydraulic hoses. I need to be able to lower this boom. The hose for the lift, I think, yeah, is on this side. That was the hose that burst. That was the hose that was causing me all the troubles getting things started, because the starter kept having to work on charging, putting the pre-charge on the hydraulic system. I did ultimately cap all those off, and that did help that process, but took me a while to get there. But anyway, so we're going to start in on this thing here pretty soon. I have hoses coming, so we'll be doing all that, but we're going to focus on this engine. I'm going to be pulling off the oil pan, and I want to fill the cooling system with water, and I actually want to see that water is coming through those sleeve gaskets to make sure that that's the issue. And we're going to deal with that crack. And then we're going to get this out of here. I just realized that I caught a I caught a tree branch pulling that thing out from over at my place. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. If you are one of my loyal subscribers, shout out to you. I appreciate you. If you're not, and you like what you see here, like and subscribe. It's free for you, and it helps me produce the engaging content to which you become accustomed. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. How am I going to get out of here?